So here, in continuous with the last class, that is the class A fed series motor. Now we discuss about what are the characteristics torque speed relation between the series motor with respect to delta. So we know that in the class A converter, that is step down converter, what is the average voltage? Output voltage VA is equal to del duty ratio into input voltage VDC. Now what is the terminal voltage equation? Again, మనకు తెలిసిన ఈక్వేషన్ చాలా సార్లు రాసు VT is equal to that is terminal voltage అంటే మోటార్కి ఇన్పుట్ వోల్టేజ్, మోటార్కి ఇన్పుట్ వోల్టేజ్ అంటే కన్వర్టర్కి అవుట్పుట్ కదా, అంటే VA is equal to EB plus IARA. Therefore delta VDC is equal to EB plus IARA. From this what is IA? Delta VDC minus EB by RA. What is EB? Back EMF, that is equal to Km into omega. What is Km? Ka phi into omega. But in the series motor having two fluxes, there is the armature flux and phi reciprocal flux, as similar to the in a case of single phase fully controlled rectifier for DC series motor లో మనం CM డెరివేషన్ చేసినప్పుడు స్టెప్స్ మరి ట్రీట్ చేస్తాం. అంటే సెకండ్ యూనిట్ లో సింగిల్ ఫేజ్ ఫుల్లీ కంట్రోల్డ్ రెక్టిఫైర్ సిరీస్ మోటార్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు Ka phi into omega నుంచి Ka Kf Ia plus K residual into omega చేస్తాం. సేమ్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇక్కడ రాసుకున్నాం. Substitute this EB value, this equation, we got the final expression for Ia value. So first terminal voltage, తర్వాత Ia, తర్వాత EB. From this we can get what is the relation between the speed and okay. After that here what is EB? Km into omega. What is omega? EB by Km. What is EB? VT minus a terminal voltage, that is VA minus RA by Km. This is the omega. What is VA? Substitute this one. Delta VDC minus IA RA by Km. This is the relation between speed versus delta. This is the relation between speed versus delta. By changing the per input given input voltage VDC, some 2 volts or 3 volts whatever maybe for 10 volts for given voltage, by adjusting the on time period and off time period of the choppers and the diodes, then we can change the speed of the motor here clearly. So what is it now? What is the relation between the torque and speed now? So it was next. What is the torque in case of DC series motor? T is equal to Kf into Is. In the separate DC motor, no square term, but here is a Is square term. So because of this, the characteristics of torque speed relation of a DC series motor is a parabola. It is a curved shape. Because of this non Is square non-linearity. So T is equal to Kf into Is square. Ia value ఇందాక ఇప్పుడు చేసాం కదా, ఆ వాల్యూని ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే then we got the relation between torque and speed. So what is the torque here? What is torque here? K is equal to Kfi to Ia anta, that is del VDC minus EB by RA. So what is Kf into what is del VDC? Del VDC is remains same. EB anta value Km into omega m by RA. మనకి ఏంటి omega అంటే ఫైనల్ గా మనం చేసాం. ఎంత వచ్చింది ఈక్వేషన్? del VDC minus KAF into IA plus K residual by RA. Is it clear? I think this is KAF into IA plus K residual into omega m. Because of Km is replaced with KF into IA plus K residual into omega m by RA. So this is the final expression for the torque and voltage here. So is it clear? So this is about the relation between the torque and speed of a DC series motor while class A converter is connected to this one. Is it clear? ఇక్కడ ఈ స్టెప్ అనేది రాస్తాను చూడండి. So here again I will show here del VDC Kf into delta VDC minus KAF into IA plus K residual into omega m by RA. Is it clear? So now this equation and that was omega m equation, ఈ రెండు ఈక్వేషన్ బేస్ చేసుకుని డ్రా ది క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్స్. Because of the existing characteristics of DC series motor without any control, this is the characteristics. So this is the characteristics of the DC series motor with only control. By adjusting the delta value duty ratio, then we can definitely change the output voltage, the terminal voltage of the converter. Therefore, that is the input of the motor can be changed. Therefore, we can adjust the speed of the motor. So by increasing this curve, because of this curve is a parabola, because of the torque is proportional to Kf and I square. Therefore, it is a curve is a parabola. So while decreasing this delta, the speed will be and torque will be changes. So this is about torque speed characteristics of a DC series motor, while class A converter is connected to the series motor. Thank you.